First things first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Now, have you ever wondered what it's like to escape to a luxurious Thai resort only to find yourself tangled in a web of dark, witty drama? The White Lotus season 3 is here, and it's taking viewers on a wild ride. Critics are raving about this new season, giving it a impressive 93% on the tomato meter. MovieWeb's review highlights the show's shift to Thailand, where the characters face fresh challenges and tension. It's like Fantasy Island meets The Love Boat, but with a darker twist. Empire Magazine agrees, giving season 3 a glowing 4 out of 5 stars. Writer Beth Webb calls it a triumphant success. The show's creator, Mike White, has crafted a gripping narrative that keeps audiences on the edge of their seats. But what makes this season truly stand? It's the contrast between East and West, materialism and spirituality. The storylines are powerful, emotionally charged, and sometimes border on epic. As one critic put it, the show is less subtly crafted, but that's part of its charm. And the cast is a who's who of acting talent, with Leslie Bibb, Walton Goggins, Parker Posey, and Jason Isaacs leading the way. Their performances are top-notch, thanks to Mike White's sharp wit and the actors' skillful delivery. Season 3 premieres on HBO this Sunday, February 16th, and will be available on Max at 9 p.m. EST. And don't miss out on the 8-episode journey that will keep you captivated until April, hearing Arrow. Talk about what, and now for a little joke, why did the resort guest bring a ladder to Thailand? Because they heard the view from the White Lotus was steps above the rest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,